All right. Back over here at the block. Meanwhile, couple bolts in. The fingers will work. But yeah, get that on there now. Should fit on. Slick. Slick, slick, slick. I'm gonna grab a couple bolts and we'll tighten that baby on. And what I'm using to center this stuff up is I'm gonna use a couple countersink bolts. You guys will be able to see that. Just use a countersink bolt in a known centered hole. These plates are actually really good. But you still want to verify, like you put that in there, verify that everything is centered the way that you want it to be. So your holes are centered, because you don't want this in the wrong spot. Beauty. These things are actually really good though. I can't complain. So now all we got to do is these holes right here, we just got to drill and tap those holes. So that should be pretty easy. Famous last words. 5-minute job, 4 hours away from being finished, basically. Actually, I think that's going to be really nice. I actually like that. You should put a beans girdle on your P-pump 24 valve or P-pump common rail block, whatever it is, because it's cool. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use this drill bit for a starter drill bit. Just to start, basically center the drill bit in the hole, and then we'll use the drill tap size. That's pretty clean. I had it covered over. I've had it covered over with a bag, but okay. So you can see the divots in there from me doing it. So I'm just going to drill. We're going to drill those out, and we'll tap them. Okay guys, so power tapping with an impact gun is not really the greatest idea. So just take that into consideration. I've done this lots of times. I have broke taps off. I happen to be the monkey that has to fix it when I break it, so. So, one thing I'll be honest with you guys, just so you know, I will be honest when I goof up, and I goofed up. I definitely drilled the holes, in this case, one size too big. So I went to 5/16. I don't know if I'm going to like it at 5/16 or not, because the whole thread didn't look awesome in it. So either it'll end up with 5/16 bolts in it, or I'll just put I'll heli coil those 4 holes because they line up nice. Just I drilled the hole one size too big. Not looking at there again, getting close to the end of the day here for me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to heli coil the holes. Not a huge deal, but just like I said, not trying to pull the wool over anybody's eyes when we're doing this stuff. Just like anybody else, I screw up. But just to show you guys, that's what we're gonna have As soon as I'll helicoil those. Drill them out, helicoil them. But anyways, we got that baby mounted anyway, so that's cool. Everything's all mounted there. Like I said, I'll helicoil those 4 holes. So then it'll be 8mm bolts all the way around. Tomorrow, I don't know. I've had a bunch of guys asking about the girdle setup. So what I might do is I might torque, as much as I don't want to spend the time doing it, but what I'll do is I'll torque the mains with the girdle down. We'll check the mains, then I'll pull it back apart again, and we'll set the crankshaft tomorrow. Put the front cover on. I'll helicoil those tomorrow sometime, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. If you can hit the like button, that helps the channel grow. I appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.